Welcome to Chamomile Calm, a place where you can pause, breathe, and restore your inner balance. In today's video, we will explore simple yet powerful breathing techniques to help you calm your mind and body. Breathing is something we do every moment, yet we rarely pay attention to it. When we feel anxious or stressed, our breath becomes shallow and fast. But by slowing down and breathing mindfully, we can bring instant relaxation and clarity. The first technique is called 4-7-8 breathing. This method is simple but highly effective for calming the nervous system. Here's how to do it. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Slowly exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle at least 4 times, and feel your body relax with each breath. The second technique is box breathing, also known as square breathing. Imagine drawing a square in your mind as you breathe. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. This technique helps regulate your nervous system, bringing a deep sense of balance and control. The third technique is extended exhale breathing. Simply inhale through your nose for a count of 4, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6 or more. When you extend your exhale longer than your inhale, your body naturally shifts into a state of relaxation. Try it now, and notice how tension starts to melt away. These breathing techniques are simple, yet incredibly powerful. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or just need a moment of peace, remember, you always have your breath. Thank you for being here. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Chamomile Calm for more mindfulness and relaxation practices. See you in the next video.